Alright, this is what I have going on. Furnace and everything is on. I'll turn it all the way up just to be sure. Furnace clicked on. Wait for the pilot to come on. It's electric furnace, electric pilot. This is the sight hole right here. Pilot's ready to come on now. Clicked. Here it goes. It's glowing. See it glowing. Burners on. Really doesn't seem like too much of a flame to me on that burner though. It really doesn't. Should be more than that. Tired. I've been up for 28 hours now because I've been staying up messing with this thing, resetting it and everything else, shutting the power off, shut the gas off, shut the breaker box off, turn the breaker box back on, turn the gas back on, turn the power back on, and everything's the same. That's about all the flame that I get comes in. The flame doesn't go out or nothing, but I let it run for like 15 minutes. Long time. And I'm getting cold, I'm getting cool air out of my vents. Like right now outside it's probably about 65 degrees, I guess. I mean, it's not like freezing cold or nothing, but it's not warm either. And I'm getting like no heat from this thing at all. I don't know what its deal is. Oh, get off. This is what it says on the front of Red Tea products. That's the cover filter. Where the filter goes in it and goes over the front of this here. And right here it says Central Furnace. Like I said, you know, everything seems to be working normal. This thing says hot. Okay, I mean, it's not hot at all. It's like warm. That's about it. I mean, I can leave my hand on this thing for like all day and it wouldn't get hot. I mean, that's like flame like on a stove. You know, I could turn my oven on and get more heat out of my oven than I can this thing. I mean, if someone could tell me how to fix this, you know, what the problem is, you know, I'm a certified mechanic, so I'm mechanically inclined. You know, I know how to use tools. I know how to use pipe thread tape and everything like that, you know, for the gas lines and stuff. I fixed the thermocoupler in my hot water tank. That's the first time I've ever worked on something like this, so I mean, if someone can probably tell me what I need to change or fix or clean on this thing, I mean, that would be awesome. I was thinking about just shutting all the power off, taking this pipe, you know, turning the gas off, taking the pipeline and everything off of it, and pulling this housing out. Because I'm assuming that something's got to be wrong with this right here. Either this here or something in the inside of it. You know, I was thinking about cleaning the inside of here out. I don't know if there's a thermocoupler thing on this or not, but it's natural gas electric heater. There's no pilot to light. If someone could probably tell me, you know, what I need to do to fix this thing, I'd really appreciate it. You know, I'd take video and everything of what I'm doing and stuff, post it just in case the problem's still there, so that way, you know, I could possibly go to the next step if someone can help me out. But I'd really appreciate it. Alright, thanks guys.